Yeah, I will teach you how to crochet this front design on size 41 as it. Just this front design. Make your knot. So we're starting from here. So we are going to work 31 chains. 31 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So continue until work 31 chains. Yeah. So we're going to skip one chain, then single crochet on 15 chains. 2, next stitch, 3, next stitch, 4, next stitch, 5. So continue, we'll work more on more 10 chains. Yeah, then on the 16th chain you work 3 single crochet. 1, the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3. Then work single crochet on the remaining 15 chains. Next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, yeah, at the end you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew, then you turn. So once you turn, we are going to skip the 2 stitches on the sew, then single crochet on the remaining stitches. So at the end you make 1 chain, then we are going to single crochet on 12 stitches. 2, 3. So work on 12 stitches. Yeah, then on the 13th stitch you slip knit, then you turn. So skip the slip knit, single crochet on the 12 stitches. Yeah, at the end you make 1 chain, then you turn, crochet to this point. So on that 13th chain with slip knit, we are going to work on it, single crochet on it, the 13th, then single crochet on more 3, 14, 15 and 16. Then on the 17th stitch you make 3 single crochet. 1, the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3. Then you work single crochet on the remaining 16 stitches. At the end you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew, then single crochet on 12 stitches. 2, 3, single crochet on 12 stitches. Then on the 13th stitch you slip knit, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the slip knit, then you crochet down. Yeah, at the end you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew, then you turn and skip the 2 stitches, then single crochet to this point. So also single crochet on that slip knit we made to this point. Yeah, at the end you make 1 chain and turn. So single crochet on 17 stitches, 17 stitches. Then you work 3 single crochets on the 18th stitch. 1, the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3. Then single crochet on the remaining 17 stitches. Then you end it here. Yeah, you can see it. So you will do exactly the same thing we did here. You also do it this side. Just the difference is that we didn't fix one side, but for this side we are going to fix to the both side. Just at the end you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches, then continue working. You can see it. So you're going to fix it as we are going to cross it now. So this is what you are going to do. So we're going to sew it here, starting from here to here. Stitch it. Yeah, you can see it.